Hello everyone, welcome to Learn Reality Consult. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Fusenowa Salifu, the CEO of Learn Reality Consult. Learn Reality Consult is a consulting firm dedicated in supporting individuals, institutions, organizations, and corporations in understanding the complexities surrounding land and GIS issues. If you answer yes to the following questions, then Learn Reality Consult is your companion. Do you want to increase your spatial awareness and critical thinking through the most notable GIS softwares, ArcGIS or QGIS? Do you want to buy or sell land in Ghana? Do you want to register your land with the Lands Commission and you need an advisor to advise you on that? Do you want to value your property and you need a competent valuer to carry out the valuation for you? Then contact Learn Reality on our phone number 0542 606261. You can also reach us on our email at learnreality69@gmail.com. learnreality69@gmail.com. You can also subscribe to our channel for more updates. Remember to click on the notification bell for notification when we upload new videos. Thank you very much. Bye bye.